Hello all, welcome to our channel. Let's learn together with EC Grad. So today we are going to learn how to make a resume in simple ways. So first, we'll try to make a resume in Canvas. So just go into Canvas, canva.com, and here you will see templates. Click on templates, or you can just search here like resume. See resume for freshers or something like that. We'll start with resume for freshers, okay? See here, you can select your templates. There are varieties of templates available here, and you can choose one of them. Whatever templates are with this watermark, like crown watermark, you can't freely access these templates. So choose templates without this crown watermark. So we'll choose one simple template maybe. I think this is nice. We'll choose this. So click on that and then click on customize template. Okay. And then see here you can zoom out. Here if you see this arrow. Here you can zoom in and zoom out. So here you can just add your photo. Uh, right click. Just click on this. Double click. If you double click, you can edit this. Suppose give some name. Um, maybe Dia and your role. Like if you're a student, something like that. And if you're a fresher, right? So student at something. Student at college, give your college name. CMR college. Just edit. You can just edit this. I mean, remove this image and paste your image. Suppose, mm, I think it's not right to take others' image. I will animate it. Yeah. So we'll take this copy. Where's my screen? So just paste, click paste. See, you got your image. Just move this like this. If you right click, it will just move and paste it here. Oh. Next, you can edit. See, yeah. Just double click and give about me. So and so, whatever. You can take the help of ChatGPT also, like give your details and ask ChatGPT about what kind of content you can give here or write here and your phone number. You could just double click and write and even some number. And here, see, you can give your email ID. My email @gmail.com and your place where do you live? Andhra Pradesh, something like that. And give your skills, C sharp, uh, Python. See, if you feel these are not enough for your skills, you can even move these up and down. See, they are moving, right? You could just move them up and down. See, you can just move them. Just right click, hold, and then move them. Same. And if you want this again, just click on this, right click, then left click, copy, and then paste. See, yeah. Another box will be created, and then you can edit something. Um, SQL, something like that. Yeah. And coming to education, I think this is one second. Yeah, I've pasted some image, right? So that's why it's not visible probably. See, if you double click, you can add. If you want to add more experience here, you can just move these items up. Just right click, move them. It's a bit difficult, but you have to. You can just edit them. So that's it. In this way, you can just edit this template, and finally you can just click on share and then click on download, PDF standard, share, download, PDF standard, and then just download it. That's it. It will be downloaded. See, you'll get your PDF format. So this is a very simple way where you can just create a resume in whichever format you want. There are numerous, so many templates available in Canvas. And I think there are many websites where you can just simply edit those templates and create your own resume. This is just a sample I have shown. So I've explained you everything. I hope this helps. If you found my video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.